Hey, today I will tell you about machine that what is a machine. A machine is a physical system using power to apply forces and control movement to perform an action. The term is commonly applied to artificial devices such as those employing engines or motors, but also to natural biological macromolecules such as molecular machines. Machines can be driven by animals and people by natural forces such as wind and water, and by chemical, thermal, or electrical power, and include a system of mechanism that shape the actuator input to achieve a specific application of output forces and movement. They can also include computers and sensors that monitor performance and plan movement, often called mechanical systems. Natural philosopher identified six simple machines, which were the elementary devices that put a load into motion and calculated the ratio of output force to input force, known today as mechanical advantage. Modern machines are complex systems that consist of structural elements, mechanism, and control components and include interfaces for convenient use. Examples include a wide range of vehicles such as trains, automobiles, boats, and airplanes, appliances, and the home and office including computers, building, air handling, and water handling, as well as farm machinery, machine tools, and this is enough. The English word machine comes from Middle French from Latin machina, which in turn derives from Greek machine, contrivance, machine, engine, a derivation from Greek word. The word mechanical, a wider meaning of fabric structure, is found in classical Latin but not in Greek usage. The meaning is found in late medieval French and is adopted from the French into English in the mid 16th century. In the 17th century, the word machine could also mean a scheme or plot, a meaning now expressed by the direct machination. The modern meaning develops out a specialized application of the term to stage engines, used in theatre, and to military siege engines, both in the late 16th and early 17th centuries. The OED traces the formal modern meaning to John Harris' Lexicon Technetium, which has machine or engine. The hand axe made by chipping flint to form a wedge in the hands of a human transform force and movement of the tool into a transverse splitting force and movement of the workpiece. The hand axe is the first example of a wedge, the oldest of the six classical simple machines from which most machines are based. The second oldest simple machine was the inclined plane, which has been used since prehistoric times to move heavy objects. So friends, I hope so that you like this video. Subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates and videos.